Okay, today is March 31st, 2019. We're in the underground greenhouse. Thought I'd just give everybody an update. I haven't done a video in a while. We're just coming out of winter, so I'll just kind of show you what we have here. Okay, the first thing you'll see is a couple of flowering pear trees that I'm going to plant this year in the yard. You can see they're already flowering. The rest of the trees outside haven't even started to grow leaves or anything yet. The orange tree, and you can see if you look right here, you got some brand new growth happening. It's happening all along this thing. So these orange trees are really doing well down here. Next, we've got this grapefruit tree. Same thing, you can see all the new growth that's happening here. And then I got this peach tree, probably plant that outside this year. But once again, the peach trees that are in the yard aren't even doing anything yet, no buds or anything. And then I have another orange tree right here. You can see it's starting to get some new growth. You got a lemon tree right here. It's got some new growth as well. And then finally, we have this lime tree. It's kind of growing a cricket. I don't know what we're gonna do about that. And then if you look over here, these are just all the trees and bushes. Usually I buy a bunch at the end of the season. The last thing you'll see here are goji berry bushes. So I think this year we're finally gonna get some berries. We just trimmed them down. Okay, we're in the underground greenhouse with Tay-Tay and Demry. Where are you, Demry? Oh, there you are. And we grew these carrots all winter long. So I don't know if they're any good or not. Tay-Tay's gonna pull one out. We're gonna see what happens.
Nope.
That is not a good carrot. Let me see it, Tay. Hold it up. Hold it up towards the camera. Let's show it to the camera. That looks nasty. Demry, do you want to eat that carrot?
It looks yellow. That's nasty.
So you think it's garbage, or should we try to eat it?
Garbage. Okay. Yeah, garbage.
Let's see. That's a huge one. Tay, pull out that huge one. There's a really big one right there. Pull that out. Reach down and just... Yeah, right there. Yep, pull that one out. Let's see what we got. Whoa.
This one's good.
I bet it's not good, just because they've been in there all winter long. But
I want to eat
it. Look at me. What are you planting, Demry?
A carrot.
Okay, we're going to plant a carrot. Go ahead. Now cover it up. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm gonna plant a carrot.
So now what are we planting, Tay-Tay?
Watermelon.
Okay. Perfect. Do you want to plant one more real quick?
Sure, yeah.
Demry's got 2 watermelon seeds. Okay, go ahead and plant them in there, babe. All right, Tay-Tay, what are we planting next?
Cantaloupe.
All right, let's go. Go ahead and do it. Good job, Demry. We just planted our vegetables for the year, and I'll show you what we just did. So right here, we've got our carrots planted in rows in this little bucket, and then down here you can see we've planted spinach, celery, lettuce. We've got tomatoes, cantaloupe, cucumber, pumpkins, and watermelons. So we'll keep you guys posted on how everything's growing. One thing we love about the greenhouse is this time of the year, it gets kind of rainy in here, huh, girls?
Yeah.
So these girls want me to make it rain on them, so hang tight, everybody. Okay, here comes the rain. What do you guys think?
Again.